Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the token, now use it. Open the shop and tap the Trade tab, that's where Legendary trades live. Scan the current offers and pick the exact Legendary you want, because once you commit the token is consumed. Make sure you're on the correct account and that your inventory shows the token active. If you want to duplicate for upgrading, choose a card you can realistically use or upgrade. Once chosen, prepare to confirm the trade, there's no undo. Now evaluate options critically. You should weigh ladder viability versus tournament or clan war use. Choose the legendary that improves your core deck or fills a strategic gap. Check how many duplicates you already own and the gold needed to upgrade after trading, since a single legendary may require lots of gold to level. If you're aiming for competitive play, favor meta or versatile cards. Once you've decided, confirm the trade in the shop. Finish by confirming the trade and watching the new legendary land in your collection. You can drag it into a deck or use it later for upgrades. Make sure you have enough gold before leveling. If something goes wrong, the token doesn't appear or trade fails, first restart the game and ensure the app is updated, then verify you're on the right account. If problems persist, contact Supercell support with your player ID and a brief description so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.